पलक झपकाना रूठना मनाना, पलक झपकाना रूठना मनाना, कहीं से आना कहीं फिर जाना। मेरा किया मेरे पास, तुम्हारा किया तुम्हारे पास। मेरा किया मेरे पास, तुम्हारा किया तुम्हारे पास। यही तो है दोस्तों संस्काराज की गरबाराज। Namaste everyone. This is Roshni Shanaz and a heartfelt welcome to you all for our podcast Zindagi Rocks, Season 1, the Karma series. So get ready and together let us embark on this enlightening journey. Today we unravel the intricate connection between sanskaras and karma. In the last episode, हमने बात की थी संस्काराज की, and today I shall shed more light upon what exactly are sanskaras and their connection to our karmic journey. My shairi that I just shared in the beginning means that the cycle of karma moves from one of these nano impressions that eventually become our intentions, thoughts, words, or actions that ultimately generate karma. And it is not some sweet lollipop or biryani that we can share or someone can take away from us. मेरा किया मेरे पास, तुम्हारा किया तुम्हारे पास means you and me are solely responsible for our own karma, and what I do stays with me, and what you do stays with you. Sanskaras derived from the Sanskrit language are the subtle impressions left on the mind by past thoughts, words, and deeds. These impressions serve as the blueprint for our future karma, shaping our experiences and destiny. If we lead a life knowing that the only things that are in our control are the intentions I have, the thoughts that I think, the words that I speak, and the actions that I create, then we would be a population of 8 billion plus peaceful souls. Don't you think so? Think of these sanskaras as the subconscious programming that influences our behavior, beliefs, and perceptions. They act as the lens through which we view the world, filtering our experiences and influencing our choices, either knowingly or unknowingly. So, coming back to a deeper insight of what sanskaras really are, I shall share this quote of Meher Baba with you. Sanskaras mean the impressions left behind when doing any good or bad action. Even a thought creates a sanskara. Talking, hearing, thinking, seeing, eating, sleeping, etc. In fact, even subtle movements cause sanskaras or impressions, which have to be experienced without a single hitch, with a mechanical precision, unless removed away root and branch by a master's grace or blessing. The very breath we breathe, the eyelid with which, the finger we lift, are all due to past impressions. Our present existence is the mere unfoldment of our past subtle impressions in gross form. And again, it is our present gross actions that recreate impressions, and so on. A good word or a good action has its good result compressed in an impression, suppose in the form of a circle, and a bad word or action likewise stores up a bad result in a similar subtle form. That is, good actions in this life necessitate acquiring a happier state in the next formation. And similarly, a bad action in the present life brings about a bad result in the same way. This quote was given by Meher Baba in 1922. So now, know that every tiniest aspect of life is the impression that gathers to create what we call karma. I am sure there is enough food for thought for you after each of these episodes. And if you are really keen to understand your soul blueprint, existence, and purpose, then listen to these episodes time and again. And then share the goodness with others too. That will be good karma in the making right from here. So until our next episode, be in awareness of your intentions, thoughts, words, and actions. Let yourself be guided to intend, think, speak, and do what is right, and to do it from a place of love. Through this series, you shall also know on how we can cut the noise of negativity and rise above it all, to live in this world, but not to be of this world. To know more about life, spirituality, or seek guidance, take coaching, mentoring, healing, and other transformation sessions with me, connect through my website roshnishanaaz.com or through social media @RoshniShanaz. For speaker assignments and collaborations, email on info@roshnishanaaz.com. So stay blessed always and be protected in super duper Godspeed. Jai Baba. Whether it was the high-flying time while I was at the top in the media world, for over 2 decades, loving all the glamour of an on-the-rocks life but bina piye, or coming to a rock bottom after my life-death illness, मैं friends पूरे विश्वास और शुक्र से कह सकती हूँ that I deeply believe that ज़िंदगी rocks. So welcome to my podcast with me, Roshni Shanaz, your spiritual fellow journeyer. जो मुझे नहीं जानते, let me tell you, nothing has been easy. I've lived through life-altering moments, emerging with the resilience of a phoenix that fuels my journey. मैंने लाइफ की ऊंचाइयां भी देखी है और डरावनी खाई भी. And yet, कर्मा को कुछ और ही मंजूर था. So when I was at the top wanting to direct a film, God ने मेरे लाइफ की स्क्रिप्ट ही बदल दी and made me leave everything to follow my spiritual calling. Zindagi Rocks. इस पॉडकास्ट के पहले सीजन में I shall share with you all about karma and spirituality through 15 different aspects on how karma works. संस्काराज क्या है, पुश्तैनी कर्मा क्या होता है, and much more that you've always been curious about. तो चलिए जानते हैं कुछ बातों का मतलब और करते हैं कुछ मतलब की बातें. क्या मतलब? Stay tuned, stay blessed in love and light and super duper Godspeed.